So excuse my appearance. I've got like rubbed off lipstick and just a little powder underneath my brows because I'm sick, okay? So anyway, I just wanted to show you real quick a few grocery items that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Some of them I get all the time. Some of them I took a gamble and decided to try. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, or you're into budgeting, or maybe you have no choice but to stick to a budget, stay tuned and check out some of the goodies that I got at Dollar Tree. So let me haul this real quick. It is the frozen pepper stir fry. It's basically bell peppers and onions. I've gotten this multiple times. This bag contains more onions than peppers, but a lot of times, most of my shopping's done at Aldi. They don't have single onions. Excuse Lucy hacking in the background, like I can't. Anyway, so a lot of times a recipe will call for a onion, and I don't feel like going to the grocery store for a single onion. So it's nice to have this on hand. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to make tikka masala tonight. I have brown rice for myself, but we're all out of just plain white rice, so I picked this up for my husband. So there's that. It is 32 ounces, 2 pounds of rice, obviously for $1. So I really like this Margaret Holmes tomatoes, okra, and corn mix. It's really good. It's really tasty, especially once you season it. And a can of green beans. We really like these. Again, this is a brand that I've never really heard of, but it is a good brand. Like, I enjoy the taste. The calories aren't terrible. It's 110 for 18 pretzels. So that's better than those pretzel thins I showed you in my Aldi haul. Hey, and 3 grams of protein. Look at that. So if you see these, I definitely recommend them. I have never gotten these before, but I saw someone else haul these, so I picked these up. These are just the chocolate chip teddy bear cookies. I don't know, this was an impulse. I went without eating lunch, so I kind of got a lot of food, but... So I've also purchased this there before. I haven't seen it in a while. It is the chocolate silk chip to go. There's 3 containers. It's basically chocolate peanut butter. So I like these to spread on like wheat toast or something, or you can totally make your make snacks and bag up some of those honey wheat pretzels with one of these little containers and put it in your kids' lunch. I grabbed just a little bag of Halls cough drops because my allergies are killing me, and I guess it's just allergies. I don't really know. I'm a little sick, so I thought I better make can dogs have cough drops? Because I don't know if you can hear Lucy. So I'm pretty sure we are left with some products that I have not yet tried myself. Again, I saw someone else haul these, say they really liked them. There's 4 grams of protein in a serving, no preservatives. There's a gram of fiber. Oh, I don't remember if yeah, and the expiration date is not until 2019. So anyway, I think it's just a healthy little snack. I don't know how much these are. Normally they feel kind of hard, so we'll see, but I thought I would give them a try for $1. And then I saw these sun-dried tomato halves. Again, I think this is a pretty legit product. I always check the expiration date, so I've got over a year on these. And so yeah, I really don't know what to do with these, but I thought I'll figure it out. Like maybe put it on a salad or pasta or pizza. If you use sun-dried tomatoes, let me know. And then I saw these Betty Crocker chewy oat bars with chocolate chips. They had another flavor too. I think it was like coconut and white chocolate or something like that. But anyway, I figured chocolate chip would be good. Again, this is a legitimate brand, so I felt safe trying it. I don't make a lot of sweets, but sometimes, you know, you wish you just had something on hand. So I picked this up just to keep in my pantry, and it's good until like the end of the year, like October. So my husband just got home in the middle of my filming, and he was like, "What are you doing?" Like, I got my ring light in the middle of the kitchen. It's like glaringly bright. All right, back to business. As I was saying, I like to get my side items there. A lot of times they have suddenly salad or rice-a-roni, jambalaya mixes, and today I picked up these cheesy hash browns. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't eat lunch, so I just bought a lot of random stuff. So I thought it would just be something easy to keep on hand. Again, it's good until like November. So you know, like when you're super busy and you don't necessarily have meals planned out and you just need to like dig around in your cupboard, pantry, whatever, then you have this. And you only need milk, water, and butter, which I always have. Okay, so I picked these up. Let me explain. I got a pizza crust there and some pizza sauce because I saw a review that they were decent. So anyway, I grabbed these while I was there because it's Hormel, which is a legitimate brand, so I felt comfortable getting those. And then I saw it's by the brand The Good Table. It's called Freezer to Plate, which, can we just talk? Unless you have an Instapot, you gotta like think about what you're gonna cook the next day, right? To thaw your meat. Well, sometimes when you're busy, that just does not happen. So it looks like, so you would combine your frozen chicken, you guys, and then the pasta and sauce, and then you put it all in one dish and bake it. I have no idea what this is going to be like. I only bought one. If it's good, I'm gonna go buy some more. If you've ever tried this, let me know in the comments. We got this family sized, you guys. It's literally a pound, over a pound of cereal. As you can see, it is the winter limited edition. That's why it's at the Dollar Tree. But I, of course, checked the date. It's good until the end of August. So I thought, I'll get this. It's cinnamon vanilla flavored. Lucky Charms. Like, who doesn't like Lucky Charms? I don't normally eat a lot of cereal, but I might for $1. So anyway, those are some of the items I picked up. I know a lot of people are scared to buy food at the Dollar Tree, which I don't necessarily buy meat, although they do have the Jenny O brand turkey bacon. It's just a smaller package that I have gotten, and it's legit. But like dry goods, check the dates. If it's a brand you recognize, you're fine. Okay, you'll be okay. So anyway, if there are any products that you've scored at the Dollar Tree, let me know down below so I can look. I kind of was a little disappointed this trip, so I'm gonna have to go to another store. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.